Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? I hope you have enjoyed my recent presentation on the solver. Solver is the most popular topic of which I have so far experienced in. As you can see in the list two other videos, and the viewers and means uh, it is showing you that how much it has been viewed and the most it is one of the most viewed video. So let me uh, give you a recap. First of all, that what we have been doing, we have provided you a button here that does nothing, only just to open the solver example for you so that you can experience it, to do it, to try it, means to learn about the things, right? So this button only opens the solver. Okay, so this file is available on the uh, shared drive, and you should be able to open it by just clicking it on it. Right? I have clicked it, and it has come up with this screen. This is a solver example in which this is the base sheet in which there are a number of products like 629 or 28, yeah, 628 products with different prices, list prices are there, right? And the solver needs some problem to be on which you want the solution. And the problem is, for example, that you have to choose you have a target of 250, for example, list price total, and you want an array of 28 rows. So 28 rows means that instead of 629, uh, we have to take any 28, take any 28 products and randomly. This is a random function. This is coming through a random function, and then see if this condition is means you want a selection of 5 or more, greater than the means minimum there should be 5. So anything greater than 5, right? So it is going to select it, or you can change it also. For example, you can say that less than 5 or less than 10, or you can change it here as well. So say 10, 12, 15, or whatever, right? So you have to tell what, right? Whatever you write here, then you have to tell means less than this number, or greater than this number, or equal to this number, right? So if you choose greater than this number, then it is keep on trying to uh, to come up with a solution that where it has at least 5 products selected with the target. The total target selected amount is $250. As simple as that. So in this session, we are going to show you. We showed you this in the previous video, in which you uh, and we have given you this link here, which tells you the basics of the solver example which we shared you long time ago. So you can also go and do this video and see it. The other means so how the solver works, right? So this video is regarding the automation and the VBA code which is being used to loop around until to means using the video within the loop. We using this solver within the loop until the certain situation is a certain condition is achieved. The condition is that you want the selection of that much amount of the dollars with anything greater than 5 products, right? And you have a subset of the array of the products is 28, right? Bring 28 here and then check. If not one, then it takes the next 28 or next randomly picked number, and then keeps on trying, and then it makes a log report also. As soon as you click in here, it is going to stamp the start time. Later on, it is going to when it finishes with this target, then it is going to give you the end time, the finish time, and this is going to tell you exactly the what how many minutes it took to bring all these 17 selected items with a total of $250 total amount. And the this so the rule of the game is here is that only the yellow highlighted are to be changed. Do not make any change in here, right? You're not supposed to make any changes in here, right? You're not supposed to make any changes in here. All you need to do is only these 3 yellow highlighted things. You can change your target. You can change your the size of the array which you want to, and then see that how quickly it brings your desired solution. So this is the grid solver. So where is the code? The code is in this sheet, right? So we go to the code by view code and we go to here. So this is the do solver, right? And as soon as we click this button, it starts here, right? And so in this video, we will be explaining that what are the things which the code performs and how does it, the logic uh, uh, is created for how the logic is built uh, and to perform all these things, and what is loop, the loop, do while loop, which is trying the entire scenario again and again until it reaches. As soon as it reaches, so it puts the E2, this is the time stamp on, it is telling you E12. E12 is here. This is E12, this is finish time. As soon as you put in here, so this is calculated automatically, that what is the time it has taken, the rest of that, and then it copies A12 to K12 to the mylog in the bottom right, okay? So it takes A time that. So here we can say that 250, and we can use it, for example, let's make it 7. Anything less than, or anything greater than 7, or we can say whatever you can like, okay? Only yellow highlights, or you can say that less than or equal to 7. You can use anything, right? So greater than will is in this example, we are trying to take any combination of the product, but the number of the should not be less than 7 or greater than. Okay, so and our target is say 250, right? So as soon as we click, so we press Alt F11. This is our code. Here we are going to stop it here, put a breakpoint so that you see what is happening. Okay, right. So it will be doing all this clear. It is making the clear this content statement here, clear M2Q. Yeah, these all are going to be cleared, and then it will be done again. It will be means it will start from this loop until the target becomes 0. So U2 is this U2, that is the difference is 0. That means the target is achieved, right? And this is where it is in the Q column. This is the Q column. This is the randomly picked product IDs, and when the ID is picked up, it is looked up, and that product is displayed in here along with its product, its price, right? Okay, so let's click on this, and it will stop right at the breakpoint, right? So we are ready. $250 we want. Maybe we can change it something. For example, say 275. 275, for example. And now we press start. Now it has started, and it has done all this job. It has cleared all this information here, right? And then it has put the zeros. It has put the zeros where, yeah. The question is that, for the why this 0 is coming, because it has M3 to Q until 5,000. Yeah, this is RX is 8 plus 5,000. That is going to be cleared, right? So it has cleared the range M to Q, right? And then it has put a zeros here in the selection area, right? Until the size of the this right RX. So O3 to ORX. This is giving something wrong. Okay, O3 to there. So why it is wrong? Let me check it again. Right, it is taking the RX. RX is 28. That's fine. Right, and then we press F8 here, and it is clearing it. It has cleared, and then it has put the timestamp in here. Yeah, the start time. Yeah, this is 10:14. That's right, and then it is making it the value, right? So that no formula is remained there. Next is it is doing the do while the U2 is not equal to 0. U2, yes. As soon as this will become 0, it will get out of this loop. The next is it is putting the in the O range. This is the selection area, right? The selection area in which it is going to put 0 in here. Yeah. So in the start, it is going to be 0. Okay. So if we say that this is 28, it has done. It has put all the zeros. Means nothing is selected. And we will leave this selection to the solver. It will put the 1 to indicate that it has selected. Okay. Okay. So this is where it is now checking if LR is less than this, fair enough, less than 28. So it is going to perform the randomly picking of the products. So on every single row, you will see it has brought one product, right? Now we press again. So this is going to bring the next product. Let's clear it. Yeah. So the new product. So this is the new product which has come, and it will keep on bringing the products. So we say that do all this 28 until you come out of it, and then bring this matrix completed. Okay. So we click here. So now, as soon as this is done, you would see that it is ready with this set of the products, in which it is now going to see if this becomes zero, then it will get out it. Otherwise, it will keep on performing, keep on trying until it is done. So we remove this breakpoint, and as soon as uh, it is it is ready uh, with the solution, it will come out, and it will. This is the breakpoint we are setting. Okay, so let's start. So now you can see it has started doing this. It is now doing the job of trying the combinations and seeing if the desired result is there or not. What is the result? That we want uh, uh, any number or greater than 7, and to be selected with the target of $275 total, right? So let's see. As soon as it comes, so it is going to put a ending stamp, and then recording the log. Okay, let's wait for its completion. So this has completed with the selection, and it has uh, followed the condition which was provided, that anything greater than 7, that is 12 is greater than 7, 12 products have been selected. Now it is going to put the time stamp right here. Okay, so it is going to put the time stamp. You will see this will be updated. So it has put the timer. So that means it has taken 6 minutes to perform all this. Okay. Now it is this is the command to make sure the formula has gone out. I mean, so there is no longer formula. Otherwise, it will keep on refreshing the time. Okay. So now from A2 to A12 to K12, A12 is this, and to K12 is this, and these are going to be copied. This is copied. Now, what is it is going to copy? It is copying this part to the mylog. And if you see in the mylog, yeah, this is your mylog, right? And here it is going to record it that it has done the job like this, right? You will see a new entry will appear right at the 8 exactly. Yeah, you don't have to do it; it will do it of its own side. It has bring it, right? And it has removed it. So that's it. So it has done the job. Now, before it finishes, why not put a write a command and do an enhancement, so that the select not only the number of the product, but also which products have been selected. They are also added into this report right here, right? Okay, so you will see this is the report, the selection here, and then the products and their price are also entered somewhere here, so that the log is complete. And okay, so this can also be done. So now it is now ready to register the log of the performance, the activity which it has performed. Now it is going to be the part of our log in here. So, okay, so the existing logs will be done. Let's remove all these logs, the testing which we have performed. We are going to remove it. You don't have to remove it. It will just to make sure that it is um, neat and clean. Okay, so now what it is going to do is that it is going to copy. It is going to copy this row and getting it as a part of our log, right? So let me show you here. So as soon as this command is executed, it is now selected. It is copied. Now it is going to the my log sheet and entering this heading of it. So let's see. Just verify. Yes, it has brought all this information that the 6 minutes job has been performed, selecting 12 for and with a total of 275 enough. And now which those 12 selected products are, with the name of the product. This should also be brought. So it is going to now list down all the selected ones only. So it is making sure that it is all the, if there is any existing ones listed, they are going to be cleared. Okay, press F8. Yeah, and now it is going to start listing everything here, right? Okay, let me put here. So the first thing is going to be listed soon. Okay, as soon as it is performed, it is going to list it down. Okay, so it is now looping through all this. As soon as it finds one in here, then it is going to list it down. So let's put the breakpoint here so that you see it's happening. Okay? It's taking place. Okay, so we try. So this is the point in which now it is ready to bring this first information in here so that they are ejected out from this and listed here in your frames. Okay, so this is the first one with the name also, right? There was no name in here, but what it has done, it has used the worksheet function of lookup, and it looked up and put the name in here, and also it has put the price, which it has at $25. Okay, right, fair enough. So now let's remove this breakpoints so that you see that the job is completed. We list it properly. Okay, so it has listed down all these selected products have been listed, right? These are the there's bread, chocolates, dried apples, and for this amount, the total is 275, right? And it has listed it down, and it is will make it this part also as a part of our log sheet. So let me remove this stuff in here. Okay, this was just for your showing so that it does not. So let's remove this stop statement here. Now it is going to copy anything from 13 until the last row, that is 25, and it is going to be moved there, and that's it. And then it will. So let's do it. That's it. So that job is done now. You can see that your log is updated. The 12, which 12? These are the 12s. Yeah, these are the well, 13 is coming. We will check it out. What is the purpose there? These are actually 13 and counting to 75. Why 12 it is written? We will find it out that the problem is here that it is 12. The total number of the products were 12, right? Because it was counting from here. Yeah, so these are not 12. From O3 to O, then count the amount of M8, right? Count A of M, right? The M counting. Okay, so it is taking this one as well. Okay, so this is count A, so it is taking 12 in here. So we have to check it out that what is anyway. So that's a we will make this correction. This is a small thing, but I hope it is understandable for you that you can update the log as well, right? So whatever it has brought, it will appear in here, and the logs will be updated in here and with the total cited. Okay, so see you in the next session. Inshallah, we will make it more purposeful and more efficient next time. It's being developed, and just to show you that how powerful is that this solver tools. You have to use your logic properly and make sure that the things are as per your requirement. Okay, thank you very much for joining.